असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, this is BVK. In this session, we will discuss about the grade 7, chapter 2, fractions, decimals and rational numbers, exercise 2.3. So, we considered about the question number 3, which one is greater? The first question, 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. So here we know that in mathematical, computation of means multiplication. You know already we have discussed about this of. So you just write 2 by 5 of, that means into 4 by 7, and 3 by 4 into of, that means into by 2. So now it is in the form of multiplication of fractional numbers. You know how to multiply the fractions. The product of numerators by product of denominators. You just multiply 2 into 4 by 5 into 7 and 3 into 1 by 4 into 2. You just multiply 2 4s are 8 by 5 7s are 35. Here 3 1s are 3 and 4 2s are 8. So we have two fractions to compare them. The question is, which one is greater? So we have to say out of these two fractions, this is the product of 2 by 5 and 4 by 7, 8 by 35. The product of 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 is 3 by 8. So 8 by 35 or 3 by 8. So we have to compare these two fractions by cross product. So you just do the cross product, and 8 8s are, here I am writing now, 64, and when we multiply the cross product with 3 into 35, 105. It is very clear 64 is less than 105. Okay, yeah, 64, it is the first fraction and this is the second one. I mean 8 by 35, 8 by 35 is less than 3 by 8. What is 8 by 35? It is the product of 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. And what is 3 by 8? It is the product of 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. So here it is finally, we can say that 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 is less than 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Okay, now after completion of the question number 3, that question number 4, Rehana works 2 1 by 2 hours each day on her embroidery, and she completes the work in 7 days. How many hours did she take to complete her work? What are the information given in the question? See, let us know the information about how many hours she worked on each day. How many hours she worked for each day? For each day she worked 2 1 by 2 hours. And how many days she worked? Think as for the given question, it is 7 days. So then what is the total time she worked? So write the question solution. Write the steps like this. Number of hours Rehana worked each day. 2 1 by 2 hours. When it is converted into improper fraction, so it will be 2 2 so 4 plus 1 5 by 2 hours. Right. Next one. How many days she completes the work? She has she worked for how many days? Number of days Rehana worked on embroidery. It is equals to 7 days. Third step, total time she worked. So how to find the total time she worked? Is equals to 5 by 2 into 7. Yeah, 5 into 7, 35 by 2. When it is converted into mixed fraction, it will be 135 divides by 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 5, 2 sevens are 14, 1 reminder 17, 1 by 2 hours.